Welcome to ContactMonkey Academy. Today's topic is sending from a shared inbox. So normally when you send out any communication from your inbox, it's typically sent from your personal email, but we do allow you to also send out from a shared inbox, such as an HR or internal communications inbox, to make it appear from one source. So in order to do that, we're just going to click into new message, just like we normally would when sending with ContactMonkey. And then we're going to head down to the three dots at the bottom of your screen and select the ContactMonkey icon. This is going to pull up your sidebar. So now the next step is we just need to make our from field appear. So in order to do that, we're going to click the three dots at the top of the screen and select show from. So now we just need to scroll up a little bit to show that field. And as you can see, my email is automatically selected because I'm in my inbox. So in order to change this to a shared inbox, I'm just going to click into the from button and I'm going to select other email address. So now from here, I can enter a shared inbox, maybe something like hr@contactmonkey.ca. Okay, and then I can select use this address. And from there, I would complete my email just like I normally would. So entering someone in the to field, like everyone at contactmonkey.ca, which is our internal distribution list. And then again, keep in mind that anyone in your to field is going to be treated as a BCC. So anyone receiving the email will only see their own name on the recipient list. And then, of course, it's always important to add a subject line in order to make sure your email sends. And then we're going to pop in our template and send it out. Hope today's session was helpful. Thanks so much for joining ContactMonkey Academy.